Okay, so just in case you have not gotten enough of me today, we're going to talk about static electricity, or you have talked about static electricity, and you are going to use a Google slide, of course, to get through it. So go right here, click on it, open it up into a new page, new tab. You only have just a few, not too many. So you're going to drag the correct definition: atoms, electricity, static electricity, lightning. Atoms are these, which we've not talked about matter, but they are the smallest part of everything. So I'm going to go on and put that there for you. And then I think you can probably figure out the other. So a particle, you've got electron, proton, neutron, nucleus. So these you just need to put, actually, let's work on these together. So that way you can, okay. Whoa, what did I do? There it goes. All right, so we're going to do these together. Electron, proton, neutron, nucleus. So electron is, it has a negative charge. No, a neutral charge. No, it has a negative charge. Get that right. Okay, it has a negative charge. And it also orbits around the nucleus. A proton has a positive charge, and it is inside of the nucleus. A neutron has a neutral charge, and it is inside the nucleus. And then the nucleus is at the center of every atom, and it contains the neutrons and the protons. Okay, so let's move on. So to fill in, drag the green boxes to finish each sentence. Like charges, are they going to blank, and unlike charges blank? So I think you guys can fill this one out, put them in the correct order. How is it created? Answer the questions below about how static electricity is created. Static electricity is formed when two surfaces touch each other and the electrons move from one object to another. One object will have a positive charge and one object will have a negative charge. Items with different charges will attract. The charges will be positive and or negative, and then items with similar charges will repel. It's sort of like magnets that are both south and south. They're going to repel. They don't work. Okay, so place the charges on the material to show the transfer of charges after rubbing both possibilities. All right, so you're going to put the plus and minuses where they need to go. So if you have the pluses are on, the positive is on the balloon, you would have all positive on the balloon and then all negative on the blanket, if they're because they're going to build up those charges, and then it would just look like this on the other side. So you do not have to worry about doing that. All right, so what is happening? Fill out the green boxes and let me know what is happening right here with the balloon and her hair. Well, same thing here. What's happening to the comb and the pieces of paper? Also, what's happening right here with the comb and the blanket? And then lightning. What is lightning? When do we see lightning? What are the particles? And what is the discharge? All right, so you'll have one for each. Let me stop for a second. Okay, so lightning is the discharge of static electricity in the atmosphere. When do we see lightning? We see lightning when the charges build up and it's large enough that needs to be let go. And the lower part of the cloud has a negative charge, and then the ground has a positive charge. And then that's why it's static electricity. That's when it lets go. That's when it happens, when you have a negative charge and a positive charge. So the cloud is negative and the ground is positive, and then you have the static electricity. And we have the discharge when billions of electrons move to the ground. And then on the bottom, just reflect what is static electricity, how is it formed, and then what's going to happen with a balloon that's rubbed on pieces of paper. So you only have to do this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and then that one. All right, bye.